In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report spam emails in Gmail. Keeping your inbox clean isn't just about organization, it's also about protecting yourself from scams, phishing attempts, and other unwanted messages. Reporting spam helps Gmail learn what you don't want to see and improves filtering for you and other users over time. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser and make sure you're on the main inbox view where you can see the list of all your emails. Take a moment to scan through your messages and identify the ones that clearly look like spam. These might be emails from senders you don't recognize, messages that look suspicious, or content you never signed up to receive. To select the emails you want to report as spam, move your mouse to the left side of each message in your inbox. You'll see a small, empty checkbox appear next to each email. Click on the checkbox beside every email you want to mark as spam. When you click it, the box will show a check mark, and the email row will usually be highlighted, letting you know it's selected. You can select just one message or multiple messages at the same time if several are spam. Once you've selected your unwanted emails, look at the row of icons at the top of your inbox, just above the list of messages. Among those icons, you'll find one that looks like an exclamation mark inside a stop sign shaped symbol. This is the Report Spam button. Move your cursor over that icon and you should see a small label confirming it's for reporting spam. Click on that exclamation mark icon. When you do this, Gmail will immediately move the selected emails out of your inbox and into your spam folder. In some cases, Gmail might show a small message asking you to confirm that you want to report these as spam. If you see that, just confirm your choice. From now on, Gmail will use this information to better recognize similar messages and send them directly to your spam folder, helping keep your inbox clean and safer. You can repeat this process anytime you receive new unwanted messages. Over time, you should notice fewer spam emails reaching your main inbox, making it easier to focus on